We were buying a house, and the insurance company of the current owner had deemed the roof needed replaced. The person said, "Do you have a roofer even?" And I said, "Well, sure. Let's go with this Fleming." They did a previous job for me. It's nice to deal with somebody that I knew personally. I don't have to call the office and speak to the gatekeeper first. You're talking to a person. You're talking to a human. They were on time, and everything he said they would do, they did. Having that peace of mind. You're talking about the single most expensive purchase, that you're going to make for a house. It looks great. I mean, it's only been a year, a little bit over a year, but it still looks good. Everything was 5 stars in my opinion. The cleanup was 5 stars. The customer service was 5 stars. The timeliness was 5 stars. 100% satisfied.